Hello students, today we will see the program for the interfacing LED buzzer relay to PIC microcontroller. This is the interfacing diagram of PIC microcontroller to the connect with LEDs relay, and this is the buzzer. Here we are connecting switch 1, switch 2 to RD0 and RD1. Then here RD3 we are connected to the relay and buzzer. RD4, RD5, RD6, RD7 we are connecting the LEDs. This is the VCC ground, then this is the resets, and this is the oscillator. Okay, this is the interfacing diagram. Now let's start for the programming. The first line hash include. Here we are including the header file, which is a PIC 18F4520 microcontroller. Okay, we are including the header file here. Then we are doing the some configuration setting for the PIC microcontroller. These are the 5 to 6 line for the configuration, like a hash PRA program configuration for the high speed crystal oscillator. This is the OSC is equal to HS. This is the use for the high speed crystal oscillator externally. The next configuration for the PWRT is equal to off. That means the power up timer disable. Okay, it will be the off. Then configure WDT is equal to off, means watchdog timer we are here making the disable. Then debug is equal to off. It means the in circuit debug mode disable. And LVP means low voltage programming disable. We are making initially, we are configuring some pins are the off. Okay, we are giving the setting, or this is the configuration setting of the PIC microcontroller. Okay, then let's start the definition pin. Which pin we are using for what purpose? Okay, so first line RD0, switch 1 for the RD0. Here we are connecting the switch 1 to RD0, then switch 2 connected to RD1, then relay to RD3. Okay, already I show in the interfacing diagram RD0, RD1, then RD3 for relay. Okay, like that RD3, RD4, RD4, RD5, RD6, which is connected to the LED, or it is like a output device. RD4, RD5, RD6 and RD7. These 4 pins we are connecting the 4 LED. Okay, this is the pin initialization. Now let's see the function prototype. Then void left, we are creating 3 void left, void right and void left. The function here we do the perform function to perform the left shifting for the LED pattern. Here function to the perform right shifting LED pattern, and this is the creating the software delay. Okay, here now let's see the main program, void main. Okay, in void main we are making the TRISD is equal to 0x0. It means we are set the RD0 and RD1 as an input. Okay, we are setting the RD0 and RD1 as an input. So RD2, RD7 as a output. Okay, here we are initializing input pins and output pins. Then port D bit RD3 is equal to 0. So initialize the relay. Here we are RD3, we are connecting the relay. So we are giving to RD3 is equal to 0. It means we are initially doing the relay off. Okay. Then while loop. Here while loop, it is an infinite loop. Continuously our program is running. Okay. Then here we are giving one condition. If switch is equal to 0 and switch 2 is equal to 1. Okay, yeah, here switch 1 is equal to 0 and switch 2 is equal to 1. It means if switch 1 present active low and switch 2 is not pressed. Here we are if switch 1 is a pressed, it means a active low, and switch 2 is a not pressed, it means then what happen, relay off and left shifting. Left shifting means the LEDs are glowing left pattern. Then again condition is if switch 1 is equal to 1 and switch 2 is equal to 0, it means if switch 2 is pressed and switch 1 is not pressed, then that time switch relay is 1 it means turn on, and LEDs are right shifting. So all LEDs glow in a right way. This is the logic for LED shifting. Then function of the left shifting LED and right shifting LED. The first, wide left. Here relay is equal to 0, and while switch 2 is equal to 1, here see left shifting. Here we are giving left shifting, switch 2 is equal to 0. So when switch 2 is equal to 0, that means D01, D10, D20, D3. Left shifting. We are making the left shifting. In this time, D1 is equal to D3 is equal to 1. It means D3 on, other LEDs are off. Then giving some delay. Then again all are off, D2 on. Then all are off, D1 on. All are off, D0 on. Like left shifting. First D3 glow, D2 glow, D1 glow, and then D0 glow. It is a left shifting. Now, next function for the right shifting. Relay is equal to 1. It means the relay on. Switch 1 is equal to 1. Then condition is first D0 on, then D1 on, then D2 on, then D3 on. This is the your right shifting. The LED glows. This is the your light shifting. Now void delay. We are giving the delay. So here void delay unsigned int I time. Okay. So here two variable I and j, and for I is equal to 0, I less than I time I plus plus, and the external loop in outer loop, and this is the internal loop. For is equal for in for loop, j is equal to 0, j is less than 1275, and j plus plus. We are giving the approximate delay. This is the delay function. This is the whole program for the interfacing LED buzzer and relay to the PIC microcontroller. Okay. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please share the video, like the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.